Hello students, in our previous lecture we have completed exercise 3.1 as well as exercise 3.2. So till now we have seen arithmetic mean, that is normal mean. After that we have seen combined mean, and after that we have seen weighted mean. Today the last type of mean, that is geometric mean, we are going to see. This is somewhat different topic. On page number 82, let us first read some of the concepts. Geometric mean. Suppose we are studying a variable that changes over the time. If we want to find the average rate of change in the variable, the application of arithmetic mean is not appropriate. That we want to find an average of such a variable which goes on changing, then for that arithmetic mean means normal mean is not possible. Let us try to understand with this thing with an example. Consider an item with price of rupees 200. If the price increases after 1 month by 50% and by 25% in the next month, the prices will have successive months will be 250 into 150% is 300 and 300 into 25% is 375. So they are explaining the percentage change. If you find the average percentage of prices of 2 months using arithmetic mean, then it would be 125 plus 150 plus 125 by 2 is 137.5. If we take this average for finding the price of item for 2 months later, it will be 200 into 137.5 into 137.5 upon 100, 378.18, which is not calculated, 375 as calculated above. Means they are explaining the percentage change. If we are showing through normal mean, then actually the average is coming wrong. Another average called as geometric mean is more appropriate here. Means suppose in the example first they are telling that if we are changing the prices on the basis of percentage, then the average which we are taking is such an average which is not appropriate. Yesterday only we have, not day before yesterday only we have seen that average must be that value which represents the whole data. If it is not representing, then that is not the ideal measure. Now they are talking a geometric mean is defined as the nth root of the product of n positive observations, and it is denoted by g. What they are telling, a geometric mean is defined as the nth root. Nth root means if there are 4 values then 4th root, 8 values then 8th root, 2 values then square root, that is second root. And it is the multiplication of all the positive observations. Here negative value is ignored, it will not come only, and it is denoted by g. Thus, for n observations, the formula of geometric mean is x1, x2, x3. There are observations. Then its geometric mean will be multiplication of both and nth root. Means if there are 2 values, then square root. 4 values, then 4th root. 8 values, then 8th root. But all these value will be in the series of 2. Means the squares of 2, the powers of 2. 2 raised of 1 is 2. 2 raised of 2 is 4. 2 raised of 3 is 8. So 6 values are not possible. For that 6 values, the nth root is not possible. Then 2 raised of 4 is 16. So 10 and 14 again are not possible. So it is only possible in the range of power of 2. Means 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, and we will have only the sums based on that only. Don't worry about it. Let us find the geometric mean in the above examples. That is again shown multiplication of both numbers and square root. Now one note is given. Leave all that examples. Now one note is given. If the given variable increases by p percentage, then increased percentage in the value is written as 100 plus p, whereas the value decreases by p percentage, then decreased value is written as 100 minus percentage. For example, if the price decreases by 20%, in the certain month, the price of next month is taken as 80. For the given observations x1, x2, xn, arithmetic mean is always equal to or more than the geometric mean. Here they are telling this is an important result. You underline this geometric means what is given in highlight, and the last line also you underline x bar greater than equals to g, or x bar is equals to g if all the observations have same value. Normally the arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. And when the observations are equal, arithmetic mean and geometric mean are same. Okay. They are telling one more thing, that when there is percentage increase or decrease, they are not clearing so much thing. I will give each and every details. When in the question, if we are having percentage increase or percentage decrease, then we should not directly take the values. If it is percentage increase, suppose if it is 6% increase, then in the value we should show 106. If the value is decreasing, then we should show by 6%, then we should show 94. There are two such sums which I am going to do for you. Okay, so much notes are to be written. Everything is not given clearly in the book, so I will give a detailed notes about this. Now everyone must give the heading geometric mean. Now we have seen this much topic. What I have read, you will have already understood only 5%. What I have said now, only 5% you all know that what sir has spoken. Other 95% was gone up. So where this geometric mean is used, for that we are writing. This average is specially used for the data where there is constant increase or decrease in the value of observations. Increase or decrease is mostly seen as increase, decrease in percentage value. So what 2 points I have written? This geometric mean is specially used for the data where there is constant increase or decrease in the value of observation. The observations are increasing or decreasing, then this geometric mean is used, and this increase and decrease is normally seen where in the percentage value. Okay, yes. Whenever the question is regarding percentage increase or decrease, then observations given are not directly used in formula, comma 100 plus percentage where it is percentage increase and 100 minus percentage where it is percentage decrease and final answer is also found with difference of. See, this point is very important. Third point. Whenever the question is regarding percentage increase or decrease, then the observation given are not directly used in formula. The formula is x1 into x2. The observations directly you take. But when you do not take directly, when the question is regarding specially percentage increase, decrease, normal questions we have to take the values directly. But where there is percentage increase or decrease, do not use this directly. Instead, what to use? If there is given 6%, then don't write 6. 100 plus 6, that is 106, because 6% it is increasing. Where it is given 10% decrease, then don't write 10 on instead what you write 90, because percentage increase or decrease is written in such a way. And the final answer also is taken with the difference of 100. Suppose if the mean is 110, the answer is not 110, the answer is 110 minus 100, that is 10. If the answer is 93, then the answer is not 93, 100 minus 93 is equals to 7. So in such way these questions are needed to be attended. Okay friends, now the formula. Geometric mean is denoted by G. G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 multiply dot dot xn. Now for this thing we have a note. Normally in question there are 2 or 4 or 8 values or in the power of 2, that is 2 raised of n will be given, comma, no other number of values can be given. What I am telling, normally in the question, these values I am speaking, these values will be 2 or will be 4 or will be 8 or in the power of 2, that is 2 raised of 1 is 2. You don't have to write this thing, I am just writing 2 raised of 1 is 2, 2 raised of 2 is 4, 2 raised of 3 is 8, 2 raised of 4 is 16, 2 raised of 5 is 32, 2 raised of 6 is 64, 2 raised of 7 is 128, 2 raised of 8 is 256, 2 raised of 9 is 512, 2 raised of 10 is 1024. Still I know many more, but I am writing only these things. So in the question, this number of values will be 2 or will be 4 or will be 8 in our course. In the portion of standard 11th, only this much values can be given, whether values will be 2 or whether the values will be 4 or whether values will be 8, not more than that in the course of standard 11. Otherwise these values can be 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512 or 1024 where you are learning statistics in higher standard. But no other value excluding the power of 2. If you are telling 10 values is given, then this is not possible, because 10 is not in the power of 2. If you are telling 34 values, then also it is not possible. If you are telling 68 values, then also it is not possible. So this number of values will be always 2, 4, 8 in our course. Let in the higher course it is this range. But 1024 values is not possible only. These I am just explaining the power of 2. Okay friends? So we are having only these values. So using our calculator, how you will find the roots, that I am telling. In standard, I think 7th or 8th, because I am not teaching 7th and 8th standard, I am just teaching from standard 11. So I don't know about exact course. When I was studying, it was coming in 6th or 7th standard. We have learned the square roots, fourth roots, cube roots. Cube root is also possible, but it is not possible through our calculator. So how we will find 10th root is also possible, but not with our calculator. So using our calculator, how we will take the roots? Finding nth roots using calculator. For square root, that is second root, press this button square root of x. It is given in our calculator. Normally it is given here. If you are having such a calculator, then this is the button square root of x. This button, press one time. If you want to take square root, that is second root. Here if it is two values, then you have to press the button one time. For fourth root, press two times. And for eighth root, press square root of x three times. Means I am giving the exact things which are to be used in our sums. I am giving exact things. Now it is up to you how you will follow. And frankly speaking, about today's exam which we have given of accountancy, I may give my opinion for that. That what I have said in previous lectures, that the method which I am giving for solving the sums is the best. There are methods which can be better than me. I am not proud of, I am not over smart of me. But the things which I am giving should be followed. For the transaction for debit and credit effect, I have given to write. Here you write debit effect, here you write credit effect. You write the reason, you write what is debit, you write the reason, you write what is credit. Now still I can see many people who are not following this. What they are writing? Debit effect in that personal account, nominal account, real account. Credit effect, personal account, nominal account, real account, and they don't have any reasons for writing that. I don't understand that why do you do like this? You are studying, it is possible, I may not tell that. It is possible that you are studying somewhere else also. In the school, I am teaching, I am the teacher. And it is possible that you are learning wherever you want, that I will not expect that you will learn from me only. But the methods which I am telling is to the point and it has a reason. So if I am telling to write in such a way debit effect, credit effect with reasons, then I will have some reasons for the next chapter, that if you are following this thing, then for next chapter you will learn these things perfectly. But still people follow, digest and follow other people, that I did not like it today from your standing. You are not aware of me. If you would have come to school, then I would have shown this thing that I am totally disappointed today by seeing someone's paper. I will not take the name because it is not my intention to show you that I am perfect and you are not perfect. It is okay that you know the answers, but friends, let us be friends. Why you don't follow me? What the things I am giving is for your good purpose and it is for the next chapter base. So I have told to write like this. But still people, they are writing, someone is writing continuously or someone is writing personal account, nominal account, real account. Exactly friends, this is not required. So comparing this sum also, if I am giving these notes, then this is useful. This is not given anywhere in your textbook. Who will give these things? People are not fooled that they are making all these things from you. Single sentence can't be found in your notebook, in your textbook. These things are not available. Then from where I am giving? I am not giving from the digest. We people are thinking for you that how you will attend the sums actually. It is not a problem that if you are getting good marks, if you are getting 100 marks, then also it is not good. Because the methods which we are telling, we know something better than you. Methods which we are giving, it is better for your future and for your higher studies. Don't just by heart the sums. There are some people who are just by hearting the sums. This is not the thing, friends. Today I am totally disappointed with your class by seeing these answers. It is not a problem. It is not a big problem also. You write as you want, but I have given for your next chapter's base that you people don't understand. It's not a problem. So this thing also you cannot find in the textbook. But this is for your answers, for making your answers very better. Okay? So this thing is given. So again I am repeating. For taking the second roots, press the button one time. For fourth root, 2 times. For eighth root, 3 times. And for if we are having 16th root, then 4th time. But that sums are not possible in our course. Okay, now this is the topic, and this much thing is to be followed for these sums. Now 1 or 2, again we are writing 2 sentences that we require in the exam for 1 marks. Okay, after that you will write important concept in that. Number 1, arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. That is, arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar greater than equals to g. Now what is this thing, friends? Actually I am telling. If you are finding the average by this x bar, that is sigma x by n or sigma fx by n, then its answer would be greater than the geometric mean's answer. Because the formula for geometric mean is first you multiply the observation, then you take its square root. And the formula for arithmetic mean is first you take the total and you divide with the number of observations. So whenever same data is given and you have to use both the formulas, so x bar will be greater than or will be equal to geometric mean, but this is the higher value. This thing we will see in the next chapter also. And sometimes if it is asked in the exam, then for our knowledge we will remember this thing. This thing actually we will see in this chapter in some of the concepts or in the next chapter also. That geometric mean is less than actually arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is more. Small sums in the exercise, that is exercise 3, we will see in detail after completing all the chapters. So what is my method? Actually I will repeat. For these exams, for not final exams, for these small unit test and first terms and second terms, first of all for each chapter I will take their exercise. That is, if it is chapter number 2, then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. I am not taking exercise 2. It is up to you if you want to do it or not do it. If you are not doing also, then questions are also not from that. Then again third chapter, then 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. There are number of exercises, everything I will solve. But the main exercises will be solved at the final term only. That questions are not expected now. So in every chapter I will go like this only. So these concepts will be used there, but for theoretical part you must remember this thing. And the second point, arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean when all the observations are same. That is, x bar is equals to g. Remember these 2 important concepts. Now we are going for exercise 3.3. Page number 84, exercise 3.3. The following data shows the number of books read by 8 students of a class during last month. 2, 1, 5, 9, 1, 3, 2, 4. Find the average number of books read using geometric mean. See, this question is also possible by arithmetic mean. We directly take the total and divide it by 8 because there are 8 observations. But here personally they are telling that you use geometric mean. So in exam, see here it is not possible. We know 3.1 is about arithmetic, 3.2 is about combined and weighted, 3.3 is about geometric. Here we know, but in exam how you will know? So where nothing is given, use that mean, and where specially geometric mean is given, so use that geometric mean only. Remember these things. So exercise 3.3, we have sum number 1. Now first write the data, what is given. Number of books read by 8 students. 2, 1, 5, 9, 1, 3, 2, 4. Now, geometric mean G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 multiply dot 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 xn. Means 2 into 1 into 5 into 9 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 4. Now calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If there are 8 values, then 8 root. So again 8th root of, what is the multiplication of this? Use your calculators. 2 into 1 into 5 into 9 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 4 is 2160. Now my friends, 8th root of 2160. So write 2160 in your calculators. Now as it is 8th root, press the square root button 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. 2.61099. So 2.61 only. 2.61 books. If it is 4th root, then press 2 times, 2nd root or square root, then 1 time, 8th root, then 3 times. Your answer is ready. Answer is over. Next, number 2. The value of machine depreciates. Depreciates means we have learned depreciation in accountants. Depreciation means decrease of value in the asset. So it is decrease. Now as percentage decrease is given, we cannot use the values directly. At the rate of 10%, 7%, 5%, 2% in first 4 years respectively. Find the average rate of depreciation using an appropriate method. Now see friends, they are telling appropriate method. If this question is personally given in the exam, then what will you do? Then you will remember the notes which I have given. That in the question when there is percentage increase or decrease, this geometric mean is used. Now I have just now given that notes. If I have not given, then you would not have been clear what I am saying. Okay? So these things are for you only. Please try to understand this thing, people. So as here it is given percentage decrease. So for finding the geometric mean, what the values we have used, 2 into 1 into 9 into 3 into 4, directly we cannot use. Because percentage decrease is given. So first of all, we need to find the values. If 10% decrease, then actually the value is to be taken 100 minus 10, that is 90. If you are directly using the 10, answer is wrong. So first, we will find each value. We will multiply each value, find the geometric mean, and the answer is also not Then for finding the final answer, take the difference with 100. Okay? Yes. Now first we will write the reasons for using geometric mean as percentage decrease in values are given, so appropriate method for average is in the inverted comma geometric mean. Friends, this is also a part of answer. In the exam, if I am asking such a question, then if you are not writing the sentence, then half marks will be cut, because this is a part of answer. Why do you use geometric mean? Reason you should specify. Because the percentage decrease is given, so appropriate method for average is geometric mean. Now we will write the values. Values of depreciation are 10%, 7%, 5% and 2%. Thus, values of x would be 100 minus p percentage. Why 100 minus p percentage? Because the values are decreasing. Depreciation means decrease. If it was appropriation or increase, then 100 plus percentage. X1 is equals to 100 minus 10% is 90. X2 is equals to 100 minus 7% is equals to 93. X3 is equals to 100 minus 5% is 95. X4 is equals to 100 minus 2% is 98. So if you are not doing these calculations, then your answer is totally wrong. Now, G is equals to nth root of square root x1 multiply x2 multiply dot xn. Now, as there are 4 values, so 4th root of, don't take 10, 7, 5, 2. Instead take 90, 93, 95, 98. Now 4th root of, multiply 90 into 93 into 95 into 98. 7, 7, 9, 2, 4, 7, 0, 0. 7792 4700. So 7792 4700. This is 4th root. So press 2 times. 1, 2. 93.95. 93.95. Thus, now see, if you are by mistake writing this as the G, this is not the answer, because we have taken the difference with answer. Here also we have to take the difference. Therefore, average rate of depreciation G is equals to 100 minus 93.90. Why we are subtracting? Because for the values we have subtracted, so this answer also should be subtracted. Okay, otherwise what I am telling, this answer is less than 100. So 100 minus the answer. If the answer is more than 100, then 100 answer minus 100 we should take. So it cannot be negative. 100 minus 93.95, 6.05 percentage. Why percentage? Because we are talking about percentage here. So G is 6.05 percentage. So friends, again once more I would like to repeat. Sum number 1 was simple sum. In that it was not, they are not told that percentage increase or decrease. But here specially they are mentioning that they are percentage decrease, depreciation. So first of all we have to find the values of x by 100 minus p percentage. Okay, so we have done this thing. So we have written the formula, taken the answer, but this is not the answer. Subtract 100 from the answer. So we have done this thing. Okay. Now same type of question with percentage increase is not given in the exercise, but it is given specially in the illustration. That is illustration 14. Please come to illustration 14 because this question is about percentage decrease 100 minus. Now this question is about percentage increase. Yes. Illustration 14 on page number 83. Sorry. The population of an area increased by 15%, 18%, 13%, 20% respectively for the 4 years. Find the average increase in the population. So again you will write this sentence as, now this is illustration 14. So first I will rub the whole thing. So you will write illustration 14 as percentage increase in the values are given, so appropriate method for average is geometric mean. Value of increase in population R. %, 18%, 13% and 20%. Only the difference in the question is that in the previous question percentage decrease was there. In this question percentage increase was there, so values of x are x1 is equals to, now it is percentage increase, so don't forget add 100, so 115, x2 100 plus 18 percentage 118, x3 100 plus 13 percentage 113, x4 100 plus 20 percentage 120. Now geometric mean G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 multiply dot 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 xn, fourth root of 115, 118, 113, 120, fourth root of 115, 118, 113, 120. 18, 492, 00. 18, 492, 00. 1, 2 times button. 116.468. So 47. Average rate of increase G is equals to 116.47 minus 100. Here the answer is greater than 100, so answer minus 100. Previous question answer was less than 100, so 100 minus answer. So G is equals to 16.47%. Okay, now we are going for the third sum of the exercise. Third question. A taxi traveled 15 km on Monday, 254 km on Tuesday. Find the average rate of distance traveled using geometric mean. Very simple. Here they are telling to find it through geometric mean only. Okay, so it is not a problem. But where they are telling of appropriate method, you need to give the reason, my friends. Third one. Distance traveled on Monday and Tuesday are kilometer and 254 kilometer respectively. G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 dot dot xn. See, here percentage increase or decrease is not given, so directly use the values. So square root of 15 into 254. If you are writing here second root, or if you are not writing, it is one and the same. If you need, you write, otherwise if you don't need, you don't write. Okay, it is up to you. 15 into 254. So square root of second root of 3810. So press the button once more, one time only. 6.17 kilometers. Answer is very simple. 6.17. And including to it 3 sums of 3.3 and 3 sums of illustration also we will solve. So illustration 14 is completed. Now 15 and 16 also, because these are the questions which are not given in the exercise, so we have to do compulsory. Now we are going for illustration 15. Normal illustrations we will not solve, but when we need to solve, then they are actually different. So now going for illustration 15. The geometric mean of two numbers is 2. If one number is 4 times the other number, find the numbers. Okay. What they are telling? Geometric mean of two numbers is 2. Geometric mean of two numbers G is equals to 2, comma, n is equals to also 2. Number of observations are 2 and its geometric mean is also 2. Also, one number is 4 times the other number, comma, find both numbers. Now what they are telling about the two numbers? One number is 4 times the other number. Okay. Suppose first number is k. Let k is constant. They are taking a, we are taking k. It is one and the same. First number is k. Now what they are telling? One number is 4 times the other number. So the next number. So second number is 4 times of first is equals to 4 into k, that is 4. Why I am writing like this? Because they are telling one number is 4 times the other number. Times means multiplication. If it is excess, then plus. If it is less, then minus. But 4 times. So if one number is k, the next number is 4 times, so 4 into k, 4k. Now the formula G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 multiply xn. Now G is given as 2, numbers are also 2, means second root, and one number is k, other number is 4. So 2 is equals to second root of 4k square. Means square root of 4k square. Now see, 2 is equals to square root of 4 is 2 and square root of k square is k. Now 2 by 2 is equals to k is equals to 1. Friends, please understand this step only. 2 is showing square. If you are not writing, then also it is not possible. Then also it is possible. That is not a problem. But for our understanding that there are 2 numbers we are showing 2. If there are 4 numbers we are writing 4. Now k into 4k is 4k square. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of k square is only k. 2 is transferred here. So k is 1. Therefore, first number k is equals to 1. Second number 4k is equals to 4 into 1 is 4. Thus, 2 numbers are 1 and 4. Now, if you want to check that our answer is correct or wrong, then use this thing. Instead of k, we are writing 1. Instead of 4k, we are writing 4 because 4 ones are 4, both numbers. And if we are taking its second root or square root, then 4 ones are 4. Second root of 4 is 2. The answer is 2. We can check. Okay. So illustration 15 is also completed. Now we are going for the last illustrations, that is illustration 6. Okay, here that important result is being shown. Find the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 2 numbers 9 and 16. Verify x bar is greater than or equals to g. Okay. Always I said that x bar is greater than or equals to g when the numbers are not equal, and when they are equal x bar is equals to g. Now see, this thing only is coming here. Illustration 16. 2 numbers 9 and 16. Verify x bar is greater than g. Now first of all we will find arithmetic mean, that is x bar. X bar is equals to sigma x upon n. 9 plus 16 by 2, 25 by 2 is 12.5. So x bar is 12.5. Then we will find geometric mean g. G is equals to nth root of x1 multiply x2 multiply dot dot xn, second root of 9 into 16, second root of 144, 16 9s are 144, so second root of 144 is 12. Thus we can say that x bar is greater than g. X bar is 12.5, geometric mean is 12, so x bar is greater than g. Okay friends, so this was all about geometric mean, that is exercise 3.3 and the 3 illustrations which are very important for the exams also. So that's all for today. Tomorrow onwards we are starting median and its positional averages.